Sick light flickers in a second-hand room, old pills shaking in a plastic tomb, voices like broken radios hiss, calling me names in the emptiness. Up over neighbors who fight through the night, I'm floating like dust in a rectangle of light. Opened a screen just to feel a pulse, typed out hope, got a promise, rushed. He said, I'll come soon, and he did. Shabby edges, a shadowed lid. Squinting hard, I tried to repaint him clean. Lonely does that to a human being. I was just looking for love above the noise. Some steady hand, not a hollow voice. I kept saying, maybe to keep from gone, stitching myself with a borrowed dawn. If I could only feel seen, not used, if I could choose, I want a love that listens, not one that bruised. Beach grass bending, salt air flat. We practiced a script with no heart attached. Back to my place, the silence thick, questioning boundaries I didn't pick. Scales and numbers, he weighed my frame like I was data instead of a name. I kept agreeing just to stay safe, made myself smaller to give him space. Second weekend, tidy disguise, food on the stove, practiced replies, laundry spinning, a domestic scene. But warmth shouldn't grind you into a machine. I was just looking for love above the noise. Some steady hand, not a hollow voice. I kept saying, maybe to keep from gone, stitching myself with a borrowed dawn. If I could only feel seen, not used, if I could choose, I want a love that listens, not one that bruised. Pain isn't passion, it's a warning flare, freezing behind eyes, pretending to care. I coached my fear to sound like desire, shouted consent just to smother the fire. After the night, I drifted in shame, echoes of blame that was never my game. He changed faces like changing a shirt, left me holding unspoken hurt. I am not trash, I am not wrong, I deserved gentle. All along, body breathe, heart remain, voice rebuild out of the rain. faint morning through the window seam. Not a cure, but a warmer beam. Someday a touch that doesn't take. Till then, every breath is one I make. I was just looking for love above the noise.
Some steady hand,
Not a hollow voice.
I kept saying,
Maybe
to keep from gone, stitching myself with a borrowed dawn. If I could only feel seen, not used. If I could choose, I want a love that listens, that one, that
Not a cure, but a warmer beam. Someday a touch that doesn't take. Till then, every breath is one I make. I was just looking for love above the noise.
some steady hand.
Not a hollow voice.
I kept saying, maybe to keep from gone, stitching myself with a borrowed dawn. If I could only feel seen, not used. If I could choose.